You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from the Bible, biblical name, Hebrew. If you want to learn more names of God included in another biblical name, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Yahweh, how to pronounce. Yahweh, it's the Lord of hosts. Tsebaoth, Yahweh Tsebaoth, Tsebaoth, Yahweh Tsebaoth. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.